Right, so day 2. Here's our rod. Check it out. Same seats. We are going to go check out some temples today.
Checking out the...
What are we doing then? Alright, we're going to have a look. Morning. So we're learning, depending on how many logs above your door you have, tells how wealthy you are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a high-ranking official. Right, so Chris now, we are here, going to the Temple of Heaven. Right, so these are the 5 elements. Where are we, Matthew?
I don't know.
Okay, well, he doesn't know where he is. We are at the market now, which I'll report back as soon as possible.
Yes.
Right, so this is officially the best place to buy shoes. If you need shoes, this is where you come to. We've got some lacquer things here. Prices are good.
Hello. Alright.
Hello.
Shoes.
Right, so we're out. Everyone's walking their dogs. Pretty cool. So we're out now in China. We're trying to find a place to gym. So, hopefully we find one now. Matthew, what are we doing?
Finding a gym.
We're going to go across the bridge and hopefully find something on the other side. Traffic, as you can see. Same. Let's go find the gym.
Winner. Keep going. You look at Norway.
Here's our tour guide. There's our van. Right, so this is Tiananmen Square. Insanely large.
That's a lot of people.
Holy flicks, bro. So we're in the Forbidden City.
That was the first gate.
Okay, never mind, we're not in the Forbidden City. But it still feels like forbiddenness. So we're still walking through hectic crowds. And it's not even what it's normally referred to as busy. Yo, bro. Spicy shrimp. Someone's getting spicy. Sound like a restaurant here. So we just come from the Forbidden City. So what we're supposed to do is light it at the red one, have it burning, you can pray, and then you throw it into one of the big furnaces. Right, so we're in China and we're eating Subway. For once eating veggies, well done, I'm proud. Like the salad's going on over there. Beautiful. Right, so in South Africa, when they sell you fresh fish, they still not for you with ice, yeah? It's chilling lekker in a fish pond. Prawns, meat, alles. Right, so we're ready to go to the airport. We're ready to go to the airport. Where are we going, Chanaveen?
Airport.
We are going to Singapore. Fun here, internet. So wait, how's this working now? Who's sitting where? Right, so we are in Singapore airport. I'm on my last legs. We have to wait now to catch a train to go to the hotel. And then what then? We just chill for the day. Okay, so we need to go downstairs, which is why we are. Trolley are. We've got to have our bags. So we'll see if I die or not today. If there's no more videos, then I'm dead. Right, so this is our view. Just we are in Singapore. It's insane. We're on the 36th floor. It's actually scary. we're going to the cable car. That one. Right, so even though some of our days haven't been so good, today's going to be a good day. There's a cruise ship over there. We're going to go on the cable car. It's going to be Laka. See some good views goes to the island. Hey bro, check it out, son. Oh yeah. So we're getting on once again. We're going to go all the way to the other side of the island, and then we're going to go all the way back up that side there. I have currently got my monster drink. So what we do here, check our card, you scan there, Raka, right, check the young lad, come on, hurry up, right, okay, so we're walking, let's check it out, we're walking and we check our ship over there, pretty cool, we're trying to go to the, what's something, Marina Bay, there you go, Marina Bay Gardens, it's inside. So there better be air conditioning. There's some lack of boats, so it should be good. We'll find out. So I've made a mistake. What mistake have I made?
Mistakes in gum.
Okay, so there's the gum there. You put this carefully. It's a big problem.
Chucky Beat Production.